We're here at the 2023 Calgary Maker Fair here in Calgary, Alberta at the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. I'm with my good friend Tim from Dwit 3D Canada.
Hi.
And behind us is our Boron that we had many people take part in helping us get to be built. And I want to thank 3D Lab Tech, KB 3D, Keene Village Plastics, who else am I missing? Linneo, Dwit 3D, Build It Basements, and a host of other people that helped us get to where we are today. This is a dedication to a very, very good friend of mine. Tim, hold that. Pause that for a second. Built this in honor of Peter Reynolds, who we lost in February. He was a maker, friend, a husband, and father. And we want to dedicate this to his memory.